So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-update ng ating threads. But first, can you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Google Play Store para naman to sa mga Android users. So open lang natin. And then dito guys, sa Google Play Store, pumunta lang tayo or itap lang natin yung search bar or search. And then dito sa search bar, type lang natin is yung thread. Then search. And ayan guys, open lang natin yung application. And kung hindi pa updated yung inyong threads, ganito yung lalabas dyan guys, update. Pero kung updated na yan, open na lang yung lalabas. So since nga hindi pa to updated, tap natin yung update. And wait natin guys hanggang sa matapos ma-install. So, ayan guys, after ma-install, ganito yung lalabas. So, tap natin yung open para directly mapunta tayo sa pinakang application. And dito guys, mapapansin nyo na yung mga bagong features sa mga dinagdag dito sa ating threads. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple. Sana nakatulong sa inyo. If you have a question, comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life every day, late at night, not okay.